Hello everyone, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching for better understanding. Also share and forward to maximum number of students. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic, that is synthetic division of polynomials. In last class you have studied division of polynomial by a binomial by direct division method. This synthetic division is also the division of polynomial by a binomial, but there are certain conditions. The divisor should be a linear binomial in the form of x plus a or x minus a. Then only it is possible to divide the polynomial using synthetic division. It is very easy and shortcut method of division. So you have to remember step by step of each process of division. So let us see the examples. The first one is x cube minus 5x square plus 6x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. First you have to observe the dividend so that all the indices should be there, and if it is not there, write that index with coefficient 0. So look at this polynomial here, 3, 2, 1, 0. All the indices are there. Also, it should be in descending order of indices. You should arrange in the descending order first. So this is same, that step is not necessary here. It is already in the descending order. Also all the indices are there. Now we will go to the next step. You have studied how to write the coefficient form of a polynomial from the index form. So next step is to write the coefficient form of the dividend. So that is nothing but list out the coefficients. So here the coefficient is 1, next minus 5, next 6, next minus 1, that's all. So which is the coefficient form? 1 minus 5, 6 minus 1. After that, the divisor is x minus 2. So draw a vertical line and horizontal line, and divisor is minus 2, x minus 2. So plus 2 you have to write outside this. If it is x plus 2, you have to write minus 2. Opposite you have to take. Only the constant of the divisor. Constant term you have to write. That is opposite side. If it is x plus a, minus a. If it is x minus a, plus a. Like that. So here divisor is x minus 2. What number you have to write here? 2. So after arranging like this, look at the horizontal line. This is little below. the coefficient form of the polynomial, that is the dividend. Now what you have to do? The first coefficient, that is extreme left, which having highest index, 1 you have to bring down as it is, nothing to be done. Then what you have to do? 1 multiplied by 2. 1 2s are 2. That you have to write below the next coefficient. 1 into 2, 2. Then what you have to do? Add these two numbers. In direct method, what we are doing? Subtracting. Here, adding. Minus 5 plus 2. Sign of larger number and find the difference, that is minus 3. Understood? Minus 5 plus 2, minus 3. Again do the same procedure. Minus 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 and minus 6. 6 plus minus 6, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. So, what we are doing? Multiplying and adding to the next coefficient. First coefficient, write as it is, then multiply with the divisor. 1 here, divisor is the number 2 here. 1 into 2, that you have to write below the next coefficient. Add this, minus 5 plus 2, minus 3, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 0, 0 into 2, 0, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Now, the last number so obtained, that is minus 1. That is the remainder in this division. The remaining are the coefficient form of the quotient. So, write again this in the index form that you have learned. You have to start from right side. Here this is the constant term, this is the x term, this is the square term. So what is the answer? X square minus 3x plus 0. So what is quotient? X square minus 3x plus 0 and remainder is minus 1. Very easy it is. First write the dividend in the coefficient form. You will get the quotient in the coefficient form. Again write in the index form. Understood? That is the method of synthetic division. One more example, you see. X raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square minus 1. What is the first step? You have to see whether all the indices are there or not. 5, then 4 is not there, 3 is there, 2 is there, 0 is there. So what you have to add? X raised to 4 with coefficient 0. Otherwise value will change. So rearrange this dividend as x raised to 5, 0 x raised to 4, 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus again x raised to 1 is not there. So plus 0x and this minus 1 x raised to 0. So understood why 0x is added here? Index 1 is not there. Then index 0 here. After 2, 0. So 0x minus 1. In this way, arrange with all indices. Then write the coefficient form. 1, 0, minus 4, 1, 0, minus 1. These are all the coefficients. It is in the coefficient form of the dividend. And divided by what? X plus 2. So what number you have to write outside? Minus 2. Now follow the steps. First coefficient as it is 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 0 plus minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. 0 into minus 2, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 0 plus minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. So the last number obtained is remainder. Remaining you have to write the index form. This is the coefficient form of the quotient. So this is constant x term, x square, x cube, x4. So the answer is x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 0x square plus x minus 2. Again rewritten as, because 0 coefficient, the term is cancelled. It is not, if you write the answer like this, it is also correct. But it is not necessary to write this term. So x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus x minus 2 is the quotient and remainder is 3. So this is the method of division of polynomial by binomial by synthetic division. It is very easy. So what is the limitation in this? If the divisor is in the form of x plus a or x minus a. Understood what is synthetic division? It is very easy. And that is the end of today's lesson. Please share as much as possible to students of all standard. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.